Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Easy English Channel. Today's story takes place at a fast food restaurant. You will hear two friends, Nia and Alex, ordering food together. One friend is nervous about speaking English. The other friend helps. This is a very real situation. Many people feel nervous ordering food in English. By the end of this video, you will know exactly what to say. Before we start, I have one simple question for you. So today's question is, what is the difference between for here and to go? The answer is explained in the story. Listen carefully. Write your answer in the comments at the end. Okay, let's start. Alex, look over there. There is a fast food place on the corner. Do you want to stop and eat?
Actually, yes. I skipped breakfast this morning. I am quite hungry now.
Me too. Fast food is quick and easy. We can eat and then keep walking.
Sounds good. But, Nia, I need to tell you something.
What is it?
I get nervous ordering in English. Last time I went to a place like this, I said the wrong thing. The staff looked confused. I felt embarrassed.
Oh, I understand that feeling completely. But honestly, fast food ordering is one of the easiest conversations in English. The words are simple, the sentences are short.
Really? Even for someone like me?
Especially for someone like you. I will walk you through everything before we go inside.
Okay, I trust you. Let's do it.
First, let me explain a few key words. The first word is combo.
Combo? What does that mean?
A combo is a meal set. It usually includes a main item, a side, and a drink. For example, a burger, fries, and a soft drink. When you order a combo, you get all three things together, and it is usually cheaper than ordering each item separately.
So a combo saves money. That is a smart choice.
Exactly. Next word, side. A side is a smaller dish that comes with your main food. For example, fries are a common side. Onion rings and salad can also be sides.
Okay, so the side is like the extra food next to the main dish.
Perfect. Now the last important phrase. When you walk to the counter, the staff will ask you one question. They will say, "Is this for here or to go?"
For here or to go? What does that mean?
For here means you want to eat inside the restaurant. You will sit at a table and eat there. To go means you want to take the food with you. You put it in a bag and eat somewhere else.
Oh, so for here I eat inside. To go, I take it away.
Exactly right. This question is very common. You will hear it almost every time you order fast food.
I will remember that. For here, to go.
Good. Now let's go inside and order.
Okay, we are inside now. There is the menu on the wall. Take a moment to look at it. What do you see?
I see burgers, chicken sandwiches, wraps, and salads. And there's a section called combos.
Good. What sizes do they have for the combos?
It says small, regular, and large.
Perfect. Now choose what you want. Do not rush. The staff will wait for you.
Okay, I want a chicken sandwich, and I want fries with it. So I should get the chicken combo.
Yes, and then you choose your drink. What do you want to drink?
Can I get orange juice?
Yes, just tell the staff that when they ask.
What size should I get?
For your first time, regular is a good choice. Not too small and not too big.
Regular it is. Okay, I think I know what I want, but Nia, you go first. I want to watch how you do it.
Of course. Watch carefully, then you try. Excuse me.
Hi there, welcome. What can I get for you today?
Can I get the classic burger combo, please? Regular size.
Sure, one regular classic burger combo. What would you like to drink with that?
Can I have a lemonade, please?
Of course, one regular classic burger combo with lemonade. Would you like any extra sauce?
Yes, please. Can I have barbecue sauce?
No problem. Is this for here or to go?
For here, please.
Great. Your total is $7.50.
Here is my card.
Thank you. Please wait at the side counter. Your food will be ready in about 3 minutes.
Thank you so much. Take a breath. You already know what you want. You just need to say it.
What if I say something wrong?
Even if you make a mistake, the staff will help you. They do this all day. They are used to all kinds of customers.
That makes me feel a little better.
Also, remember, you do not need a perfect sentence, just clear words. Chicken combo, regular, orange juice. Even that is enough.
You are right. Simple and clear. Okay, I'm going.
Hi, what can I get for you?
Can I get the chicken sandwich combo, please? Regular size.
Sure. One regular chicken sandwich combo. And what would you like to drink?
Orange juice, please.
Great. Would you like your fries salted or lightly salted?
Oh, I am not sure. Can you explain the difference?
Of course. Salted means we add the normal amount of salt. Lightly salted means we add less salt. Some customers prefer less salt for health reasons.
I see. Regular salted is fine. Thank you.
No problem. Is this for here or to go?
For here, please. We are eating inside.
Okay. Your total is $8.20. How would you like to pay?
By card, please.
Please tap your card here.
Done.
Perfect. I will call your name when your order's ready. What is your name?
You did great. You spoke clearly and stayed calm.
I got nervous when they asked about the salt. I did not expect that question.
That happens. Fast food restaurants sometimes ask extra questions about toppings, sauce, or sides. If you do not understand, just ask them to explain, like you did today.
That worked well. I said, "Can you explain the difference?"
That phrase is very useful. You can also say, "Can you say that again, please?" Never be afraid to ask someone to repeat. It is completely normal.
Alex, your order is ready.
That's me. One moment. Nia, there is a problem. They gave me a fish sandwich, but I ordered a chicken sandwich.
Oh, that happens sometimes. It is called a wrong order. You need to go back to the counter and explain.
What should I say?
Say this. Excuse me, I think there is a mistake with my order. I ordered a chicken sandwich, not a fish sandwich.
Okay, I will try. Excuse me?
Yes, is everything okay?
I think there is a mistake with my order. I ordered a chicken sandwich, but I received a fish sandwich.
Oh, I am so sorry about that. Let me check your receipt. You are right. I apologize for the mistake. I will fix this right away.
Thank you very much.
Here is your correct order, chicken sandwich combo. I'm sorry again for the confusion.
No problem. Thank you for fixing it quickly.
Alex, you handled that really well. You stayed calm, you explained the problem clearly, and you got the right food in the end.
Thank you. I was nervous at first, but it was not as hard as I thought.
That is always how it feels. The first time is the hardest, but every time after that gets easier.
I believe that now. This chicken sandwich is delicious, by the way.
Enjoy it. You earned it.
I hope you enjoyed today's story. Alex learned useful phrases and solved a real problem, the wrong order. Today's key words: combo, side, for here, to go, and wrong order. Now let me ask the question one more time. What is the difference between for here and to go? Did you find the answer? Write your answer in the comments. Even one sentence is great practice. If this video helped you, please like the video and subscribe our channel. I share slow and easy English stories daily. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Goodbye.